Okay, guys, it's that time. I had to redo and, restock the pantry and organize better. And I want to share it with you all. I gained a top shelf up there because that used to be just random things for holiday and Christmas and such. But I moved things around and I put the things we don't use a lot up there. The bulk bags we buy and such at Costco, and case of paste and coffee cans and things like that nature. And then on my next shelf, I kind of try to keep all my pastas together. There they are. Okay. And some gourmet tuna fish and sauces, and then all my broths, trying to make sense of stuff, and random things here, and then container beans, and my little dirty secret mac and cheese and ramen instant pack. There you go. Okay. And then the next shelf down is, and I buy my pasta, guys, as I said, when they're on sale, and I just keep stocking. He bought that bulk Special K. This is a cereal shelf. We usually buy that when it's on sale, buy one, get one, or in bulk. The oatmeal was at Publix, buy one, get one, and each container was $2.25. It brought the price down to, which is great. Jelly was buy one, get one. One is in the refrigerator, one's stocked. Tuna fish, we buy that in bulk at Costco, and we save a good 75 cents a can, maybe $1 sometimes. And my corn I buy in bulk there. Vegetables in the can. Extra canned tomato sauce, more. I buy this by the case. It's Rosso on sale. Regular daily napkins, and then he got these new peas at Costco. They're very expensive. They're like $1.79 for one if you buy them at the supermarket, but in bulk they wind up being very reasonable. Ketchup in bulk, cup of noodle. These buy one get one. So I keep a good amount of that stuff. And on the bottom shelf here now is more canned goods and beverages and mustards and anchovies, and my bean shelf. And this I collect. These are a very good deal, guys. These I just stocked up on more because they were $1 a can. Not only $1 a can, but for me they're my favorite because they're low sodium, okay, and they're organic. For $1, I don't think you're going to get a better bean, okay? Even the Goya, if you buy them singularly, they're like over $1.50 now. And there's some beets. And on the bottom here is more beverages I usually keep, and seasoned rices and things like that. And Vinny is enjoying and liking his protein drink. He started with his rehab from the heart surgery and just continued because it's just smart, as you get older, to get your good amount of protein and muscle and workout and all that. So he's taken up a whole shelf there. And on the bottom, we buy our coffee online to save. We like the Dunkin' K-Cup. And there's this big giant bag of walnuts. He also has a big giant bulk bag of cranberries that he put in the other pantry. And then you see here, my stock, restock my wine. We buy that by the case because it is almost $1 a bottle less at Costco. And we go through it, so why not? And then I have some storage here. My pans on the wall everywhere. You got to utilize every inch. That's my cookware there that you see me using. And my pans. You've seen the freezer. And we got it stocked as well. Tons of stuff. Got our shrimp from Costco. My bags of that. I buy the ice cream in bulk. Haagen-Dazs in bulk is very reasonable, other than buying it singular. It's very expensive. So we do that. Sorry for the smush. And then there's in the corner, even hiding, my little wok. And that is the pantry. Let me pan and give you one more look. If you want to get any ideas, what I stock, how I stock it. It's just a good idea. And guys, this was a closet. This is, most women would love this for their shoes, their coats, their luggage, their hats. Not this girl. This girl loves to have my food visible and stocked, where I just walk in and get what I need and make a meal and don't have to stress it because everything is organized. And I kind of cook a lot of dishes the same, a lot of my pasta dishes and a lot of my bean dishes. So I like to have it in bulk, and we eat tuna fish regularly, so it's nice to have it all light, neat, and visible. Okay, guys, just wanted to share that with you, how to stock your closet, pantry, whatever you may have. It could be one shelf, but it's smart to put everything facing that you can see and grab and utilize. Okay, bye.